so thoughtful, whatever you're saying. We think, I also keep telling myself the same question that I want to know my daughter as somebody who is not a corporate slave.
हेलो गाइस, ग्रीटिंग्स फॉर द डे एंड वेलकम टू द रोलिंग एमबीए। रोलिंग एमबीए में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज के एपिसोड में एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट मैसेज है सीनियर आईटी मैनेजर जो 20 ईयर प्लस वर्किंग एक्सपीरियंस है उनका, एंड तक मिस मत करना।
Especially the Gen Z is very smart, more smarter than us. I feel they want things happen too fast. See, even I work with a lot of Gen Zs. One thing what I feel is they don't like giving them advice. They want to do it their way. They don't have the patience. They don't like feedback. No? They just get upset. They are very driven. I like that about them. They want to achieve everything very fast, and which is good. But the only thing is, that fast is something which is a little fearful, because whatever comes very fast goes very fast as well. They are way smart. There's a lot of good things which I see in them. My daughter is a Gen Z, okay? So I look at her and very restless, very hyper, but at the same time she knows so many things. Sometimes it amazes me. Honestly, if you ask me, and it might sound very stupid, but I would like to have a world without too many gadgets and people talking to each other. I enjoy this drive what I'm having with you because I'm getting to talk to you. We want to talk to another human. I think that's missing in today's time.
Yes, that is most important one.
Yeah, because that's why the mental issues are also increasing.
They are physically together but mentally not.
Not sitting on the same table talking to their mobiles.
Incident with each other. They are texting and sharing with someone else on over phone.
Exactly. They're trying to find that happiness and that togetherness outside, when they can very well work on their relationship.
What makes you happy, ma'am?
I think very small things make me happy. My work is so hectic. I feel very tired at the end of the day. I even don't get to take a break to kind of have a stroll and freshen up my mind. So even if I do that, that is happiness for me. So happiness to me is not about achieving big things. Of course, those are some goals that I do have, but I would like to be happy in the small things, because when you are happy with small things, that makes your day going. I'll be very honest with you. I generally drive to office, but nowadays I've stopped driving. I drive alone. Again, I talk to a gadget. I go to office. I'm so much occupied. Okay, I'm going to take a break from driving as well, because driving is very stressful. At the same time, I have this habit of talking to people. I'm generally a very extrovert person. I talk to a lot of drivers. Yeah, I talk to everybody. I respect every individual. What am I doing? This is the life I really wanted. Am I enjoying this life? Am I happy? Sometimes, I ask this question to myself. In India, people are very fascinated with titles.
Yes.
Right? I'm a manager, I'm a senior manager, I'm a director. So thoughtful, whatever you're saying. We think, I also keep telling myself the same question, that I want to know my daughter as somebody who is not a corporate slave.
It was a nice journey with you.
Likewise.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
I never expected that, I would get an opportunity to talk to you and have this deep conversation.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too, have a good one. I hope you are able to achieve whatever you have set for in life. Wish you good luck and God bless you.